welcome back to another video. This is the Glades Garden Girl over here in Zone 10A, Florida. Happy am I for you to be joining me today. Today what I want to do is to transplant my sorrels. I haven't decided where I will be putting them as yet, but I sowed the seeds on April 2nd, so it has been approximately 13 days after. I have let me see how many I have in this pot here. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 in this pot, and I have 2, 4, 5. So 9 and 5, that's 14. And today is a very great day for me to transplant them because the sun is not out as yet. It is overcast. That means we will be getting rain this morning, this afternoon, or tonight. Hopefully that will be good for me. So I am yet to decide where I want to put them though. I have options. I can either transplant them in this area, or I can transplant some over here in this area with my tomatoes and my mint, or I can transplant some over here. All right, so I am going to put my thinking cap on right now, guys, and I will be right back to show you where I will be transplanting these sorrels. All right, see you in a minute. Okay, people, these are the buckets that I filled with soil to plant my sorrel in. All of these 5-gallon buckets actually have some compost in the bottom of them. So I would normally compost in them until they're like a halfway in the bucket, or maybe 3/4, and then I'll throw soil on top of it. And then I will just go right ahead and plant whatever I'm planting in it. This is actually a volunteer pigeon pea, by the way. All right, so on second thoughts, I have decided not to plant in these buckets. I think I am going to reserve them for something else because I have a lot of seedlings coming, and as you all know, I am still having problems with the chickens, so I am going to plant something else in those. Nevertheless, the sorrels are successfully transplanted, so I have 2 in this area. The others, they are planted over here, and I put like 2 in each hole. 2 there, 2 here, 2 over there, 2 right here, and 2 right here. Okay, I still have a lot of space that I could actually plant the other sorrel, but I believe that because I have 2 in each area, they are going to be very bushy. Hence, I don't want to like plant other things like to make it too crowded. So I'm just leaving these little spaces. I might like plant other crops like underneath it, so when the sorrels get bigger, the soil can actually be used as a shade for them. I still have these 3 that I haven't transplanted yet, and I will be doing that at a later date. I'm not sure well. But for right now, guys, that is going to be it for my sorrel video, and I most definitely have to keep you guys posted on their growth. The very first year I planted sorrel, they grew so fast. They came up very quickly. The plants were very robust. They were big. I was excited. And then all of a sudden, no sorrel came. They all dried up. I don't know what happened. Maybe I planted them too early, but I got no sorrel from those plants. So the second year I planted sorrel, I got some teeny tiny plants with some teeny tiny sorrel. And the last year I tried again. I got some much better plants, some much better sorrel, but I didn't get a lot. So this year I am hoping that these sorrels will grow to their maximum height, and I will be able to harvest much more sorrel than I did in the past. Okay, so thank you all for watching again. It was really a pleasure being with you in my garden. So if this is your first time watching or joining us, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell that whenever a video is uploaded, you're going to be one of the privileged ones to share with me. Okay, so you have yourself a great day. Have a blessed day. Have a very productive day. And remember now, start growing today. Get some containers and start growing today. All right? See you soon in another video. Ciao.